the chance of getting infections, rashes, dermatitis, just redness, irritation, hyperpigmentation, the list goes on. So this is not something that I recommend that you do at home.
You should see mine thrown in my drawer. Like, you're 100% right. I'm never doing that again. Okay, what's next?
Okay, so next we're going to talk about dermosection tool. What dermosection does is going to work to exfoliate, but also try to lift like oil and sebum out of the pores, decongestion. In the spa, it's safe because we'll use like water and serums, and it's a very relaxing, it's actually an amazing treatment. I love this treatment in the spa.
At the spa.
Yes.
Why not at home?
Well, if it has enough power to suck anything out of your pores, also has enough power to give you hickey-like marks, hyperpigmentation, bruises, just a lot of irritation on the skin. Dilated, you can dilate your capillaries and make them more obvious. Not safe.
Not one. Guys, you heard that one. Okay, let's keep it going. The microcurrent.
Yes.
Now, I've heard these are kind of good, no?
Yes, I absolutely love microcurrent. Microcurrent uses electricity to kind of zap and tone your muscles. It's like a workout for the face. So microcurrent is going to be something that you can use at home. Except this tool is a little pricey. So I also brought along gua sha tool.
Now, I got that one. That I can do.
So gua sha tool is also going to help lift and tone your muscles. This is going to take a little bit more time than this. Microcurrent tends to only take like 5-10 minutes to show results. Gua sha you're going to want to do consistently, but you will get some circulation that comes to the face that will really help brighten and kind of like lift and tone.
So you don't mind that one, it's just really expensive, and this is a better alternative.
Yes, definitely.
And do you ever put that one in the freezer?
Yes, you can put this in the freezer. It's really nice like underneath the eyes, and to like when you first wake up to like move lymph and kind of depuff and contour the face. I like it for that too.
Okay, I thought this was good. Have you ever tried that trick at home? Lemons. It's supposed to be great for your skin. I've got some sunspots. It's supposed to lighten them. You're telling me not a good idea.
No. Please don't use lemons.
Please don't. It hadn't worked, by the way, but I'm trying.
So lemons are known for their vitamin C content, which is amazing. However, actual lemons, they're very acidic. They are going to burn your skin if you go out in the sun. People tend to get margarita burns when they're making margaritas in the sunlight. They'll get really bad like burns on their hands, and even people like bartenders who work with lemons and limes regularly get rashes and dermatitis on their hands. So you don't want to do that on purpose. I'd recommend just a vitamin C serum, nice and stable. It will brighten your skin and not like endanger you like an actual lemon.
Listen to my friend out there. Okay, at home, have you tried that DIY peel? You know, the one from apple cider vinegar, baking soda. This was with all the talk. I saw thousands of people on the internet doing it.
It's really popular. No, it's awful. And I'll actually see people come into the spa like, I did it and I saw it and I thought it was good and it's bad, and yes, it is bad. Apple cider vinegar, baking soda, it's strong enough to clean your kitchen sink. You don't want to use it on your face. Apple cider vinegar is too acidic. It's like a 2 to 3 on the pH scale, where baking soda is a 9. So your skin is a 4.5 to 5.5. Pretty much, it completely destroys your skin's acid mantle, which is there to protect you, which is there to defend your skin against bacteria, rashes. It's really just like a biofilm that helps your skin protect you. And this absolutely destroys it.
Just too strong for our skin. What we're getting at home is too strong.
Absolutely.
I tell you what, I need you in my life. We all do. How about these great tips?
Just call me if you're concerned.
I'm calling you. Nice to meet you, and congrats on your engagement. For more useful skin info, please check out LABeautyologist on social media. Really good stuff. It's so funny, all of these hacks.
Your day doesn't stop at